Welcome to this mindful breathing practice. I'd first like you to sit comfortably and let your hands rest on your thighs, knees, or wherever they're most comfortable for you. It's best to try and keep your back straight, your chest open, and your seated posture relaxed with a feeling of quiet confidence. Now close your eyes and begin this mindfulness practice with a few deep inhales and exhales. Fully breathe through your nose into your body, feeling the breath moving inward with your stomach and chest expanding until your lungs are full. Then you can exhale, releasing your breath until you fully contract your stomach and chest. Now let your shoulders soften and allow that sense of relaxation to continue down your arms and into your hands, which are now resting lightly where they're most comfortable. Once you've taken a few deep breaths, then let your breath settle into your normal breathing pattern. Don't try to control it. Let it be and just observe the flow of breath and how it interacts with the various parts of your body. As you breathe in normally, I want you to focus on being aware of the path of your breath. And as you breathe out, focus on softening and relaxing your body. With that in mind, let your forehead relax and your eyebrows drop, and allow that sensation to flow down to your cheekbones, letting your jaw hang softly without any tension at all. As you do all this, continue to breathe in awareness and breathe out softness as you relax the rest of your body. Now bring your full awareness to your breath. Close your mouth if you can and concentrate on breathing in and out through your nose. Bring your focus to how the air feels as it enters and exits your nostrils. Can you feel the difference in temperature? Is it cool as you breathe in awareness and warm as you breathe out softness? As you breathe in awareness, can you sense the cooler airflow moving past the edges of your nostrils? And as you breathe out, can you feel the airflow on your face? As you do this mindful breathing practice, know that you have nowhere else to be, nothing else to do. Just be here, fully aware and connected to your breathing. You may find that your mind has a tendency to wander, and that's okay. It's doing exactly what it's been trained to do. So when your mind does wander, come back to being aware of your breath in a non-judgmental way. Try to do this without being frustrated, knowing that the whole point of mindful breathing is to practice firstly being aware of your mind wandering, and then secondly using that knowledge to bring yourself into being aware in the present moment. Also know that you can always use your breath to anchor you to the present moment whenever you need to focus or just relax. Know that it doesn't matter how many times you have to bring your attention back to your breath. Just recognize that you're making progress towards increasing your self-awareness and being able to focus your attention on what's relevant and important to you. Then, when you're fully focused back on your breath, continue to breathe in awareness and breathe out softness, keeping your body in a state of deep relaxation. Now, if you choose to, you can start to bring your awareness back to the feeling of your body as it connects to where you sit, the sounds around you, the floor beneath your feet, the room around you. And then take as much time as you need before coming back into the present and slowly